This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from DeAgostini. If you'd like to build along, pop along to DeAgostini.com where you can order one for your very own. They also have several other part work build-up models that you can build for everything from cars to boats and everything in between. So I'd like to thank them very much for giving me the opportunity to build this so you can all watch and see exactly how it all goes together. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 97 of building the Ford GT40. In this issue, we're doing the windscreen wiper and some more work on the interior of the, well, actually the exterior, the middle bit of the middle bit. After looking at the magazine, the Mustang, yeah, want a race? It looks like a race car. It's sleek and looks fine. Wouldn't see one of them on the roads really like that. Certainly not around here. So yeah, right, yeah. Got a few bits that we're not going to be doing anything with yet, but we've got to keep them aside. It's annoying. This is the last of this month's delivery, so we've got to keep all these aside for a month. It's not just until the next build. So somewhat annoying, but there we go. I shall keep them safe. We're going to fit the windscreen wiper, make up the fuel cap, fit the fuel cap, and fit the bit on the other side of the fuel cap. Sort of another fuel cap. And that's it. That's what we shall be doing. The reinforcement bits and the door things we'll put to one side. I will test fit the doors and the panels and everything, make sure see how it all looks. Probably can't get a very good view of it on the camera here, but I shall put some pictures up on my social media links below, so you can check them out afterwards. So thanks for watching. I shall see you for the building part. Right, the parts that we've got our rear mirror, which we're not fitting yet. Some door seals, which I believe are for the where the door attaches onto the frame, which we're not using yet. Lots of screws, which we're not using yet. These panels, which are like the engine reinforcement panels, which we're not using yet. The bits we are using are here, here, and here, and a few screws. The first of which is one of these 02 screws, which one of those will come out of here. Come on, just the one. That's all I want. There you go. And that's for the windscreen wiper, which is obviously going onto the windscreen. That is fitting in there like that, and the screw goes in the other side and holds that in place. Get that on there, that on there, and aim for there. That's it. It sort of keys in place so it doesn't go backwards and forwards, but we'll keep it down mostly out of the way, but it is still up quite high. So that's how it is. That's that. This is fitting on that side. Again, it's got a sort of bayonet-y type part that has to line up. Right way round. It should stop turning. There you go, just like that. Sorry, that was all off camera. There we go. That's gone on there like that. The other part needs putting together first. It just pops in, apparently like that. Quite tight, but it has got some twist to it. Try getting that in there. It's not liking that. No access points that I can see that are any easier to get to, so I think it is just a case of lining it up and pushing. There we go. So that's the fuel cap, which also has a bayonet-y type thing, which fits over on this side like that. And we need 2 of the 01 screws to hold those 2 bits in place. Get those out of there. That will go aside later. Put that one with it. Turn this over and get those in place. In fact, that's going to fall out if I don't do that. So let's do this one first. One screw in the bottom of that. And the same with that one on the other side. Again, get it lined in place and twisted round. It can't do that. Why is that not like? Oh, there we go. That's that. That's there. And that will do with that. Now, obviously, the rear view mirror is probably just going to pop in there. The other bits are obviously going to go into the door frame when the door fits. But for now, that is the build complete. But I'm not quite finished. What I am going to do is bring in the rest of it. That should line up over there now. There we go. Looking good. Oh, don't pop the windscreen out. So that's quite good in that. There's obviously going to be another cover that goes over the top of that by the looks of that. But there, that's that. What I'll do is bring in the doors and I'll bring in the rest of the chassis and see how it looks and get some decent pictures of it so you can see those, as I say, on the social media. So let me have a look at what that looks like. There we go. I've just snapped it together. It was a little bit tight getting the front bit on, but all okay. The doors have gone together okay. I'm sure that I've got the hinge pieces the right way round now. If you remember way back when we built the first door, couldn't really make out which way round the hinge pieces were meant to go, but they seem to line up inside. The screw holes seem to line up with that, and it all clips together. So I will still wait, but I've got to put the interior panel on there anyway. But other than that, it's coming together nicely. They do. I wasn't sure how it was going to work with the doors closing, because obviously they're basically gull wing doors, but they're not. But yeah, it lines up in there and clips down. The catch works to hold it shut. Same on the other side as well. I like it. It's coming together quite nicely. It feels, apart from, just ignore the end bit, and the rest of it all looks good. And yeah, starting to come together impressively. So yeah, that's that. I've got some other shots of it from different angles that I can't show you on the camera here, but have a look, as I say, on my social media and see what that looks like. We've still got the bottom half of the door number and stuff to go in to put on, but yeah, I like it. Hope you like it as well. Leave a comment, let me know what you think, and I shall see you for more very, very soon. Bye bye for now. You